Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me. Look at me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Man, y'all can already see garages, I wouldn't say clean, but we got the 350Z moved to this side, making space because tomorrow we are going to be picking up my turbo coupe, but the supercharged wide body coupe is officially running. So yeah, today is the day that y'all finally get to hear the supercharged coupe. Edgar sent me a little clip as he was doing tuning, fired up the first time. So technically this is going to be like a second startup, but you know, we're gonna keep it 100 for y'all. This is gonna be a first startup, and I must say it does sound good. When Edgar sent me the video, he didn't have the blow valve hooked up and everything, so it was kind of closed. You can hear it fluttering a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here to O'Reilly's before I head there. I'm gonna grab some vacuum line because this thing does require a lot of vacuum to pull that freaking cylinder up. So yeah, man, today y'all are about to be hearing the supercharged coupe finally fire up. I'm juiced, man. I haven't got to hear it in person. Things always sound like caca over video, so I want to hear this thing in person. You don't see many people running the air-to-air intercooler setup on these Vortex supercharged setups on the Fox body. So, you know, we have it. We got the blow-off valve on it. A lot of them run the bypass or the recirculated valve. You don't get the loud noises. So this thing is going to sound dope. It's kind of going to sound something like my C6, but with the small block Ford, you know, exhaust note to it. Currently we got like mid pipes that are just chopped, so it's pretty much straight, no mufflers right now. But yeah, man, I know y'all want to hear me. I know y'all want to hear this damn thing start up, so let's get ready to head out so we can hear the first start up, baby. Yes, yo, son. Man, this little girl was on some bullshit last night, right? Yeah. She was set tripping last night. Now she got the nerves and want to be asleep in the morning. I feel like I ain't got no sleep last night. First time I've ever been tired dealing with her. I should wake you up. Hey, wake up. Wake up. You don't get to sleep. You don't get to sleep. Wake her up and leave you here with her?
Fuck you.
Alright, so I do need to take these one-piece headlights. And I want to take the Savini Saline Lip with me. That way we can put all this on. Because if we do go drive it today, I don't want to be driving it with just intercooler and everything hanging out. Because that's how you get pulled over by the boys. Need to look like a complete car if we're going to be on the street doing some street tuning. I'm not sure if we're doing street tuning today, but just saying if we do, kind of want it to be complete. I don't know how the fuck we're going to do street tuning. Ain't even no carpet or seats in there. And we'll figure that out when we get there. Anywho, let's go to O'Reilly's, grab the shit that we need. Damn. $6.50. Yeah, you got plenty of room.
Back to home, huh?
This thing right here.
Something zippy. Put the other. Oh yeah, right here we got it.
Throw that shit.
Clean though.
Yeah, I got the new vacuum hose for it. Alright, so we just getting here. Y'all heard this thing being pulled out. Still need some milk. Gotta get this blow valve hooked up. Rising rate regulator hooked up, but feel me? Y'all got to hear it, but y'all ain't got to hear it running yet. Yep, this is the first time she had moved under her own power since she came in there. What the fuck's wrong with this thing? Want to hear this thing running properly. Get this vacuum hose on real quick, and hopefully we can get it fired back up so y'all can get a proper sound. All right, you good? Blow-off valve open now. Loosen the spring up a little bit. Should be good. Want this thing all the way open at idle. Nah, it's opening now. Already loosened it up, so it's like halfway now.
That the idle air control valve is commanding 100%.
This belt is touching too. We're gonna have to figure that out. About hella loud. Jeez. Come on, girl, run for me. Run for me. Video's gonna do it any justice, but it definitely sounds good. There we go. Sounds like it's running better now. it's cracked open, but yeah, hell yeah. What the swasha? Sounds good. Yeah, I'm gonna do a full out the back. Hell yeah, man. This thing going from the fucking clapped out bucket that it was to what this thing about to be. Woo! This thing's gonna be sick. It's crazy. Both my coupes and came a long way. This thing used to be clapped out. That's why it's hanging. Whole video is gonna be this thing sitting here idling and revving. You want to put the hood pins in or no?
Let's go up. We went up already before. Not this one.
This thing is insanely loud. Sound tasty. She's moving under her own power.
Stance. I like it.
Sitting hella beefy, a little bulldog, hella wide.
Yeah.
She looking like this.
Hella good, bro. Like that. Imagine with some fucking cat back.
All the way out the back, yeah.
Dip around the corner.
Happy it's running and sounding good, man. What happened?
Reaching mile 0.1.
1 mile per hour, baby. All right, man. Just getting back home. Didn't stay that long. But yeah, I don't think you guys have seen this hood yet. This is the new hood that's actually going to be going on that car. Told you guys that I want to do the double vent. So kind of like the idea I had was this dual vent. And then I had another cowl. I have a cowl that has a dual vent in it, which was the cowl section that goes on the back by the where the window wipers go. It's this fiberglass piece that I got, and I think if my idea works right, I think this is gonna look pretty sick. You know, just something different to give it that. But you don't really see a lot of people run this hood. This is like the Cobra R style hood from the new edges. So I definitely wanted to get the Cobra hood on there just to see how this looks. So if anybody's interested in the other hood that I have currently on there, the 4-inch cowl, let me know. Somebody can come swoop that thing up. $400 and you can take it. I don't need it. Give it to you with the hood pins, all that. So hit me up if you're interested. Let me know. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a short video. We're gonna wrap this up. About to go inside and chillax. Tomorrow I'm gonna be picking up my turbo coupe. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I think I vlogged every single day this week, damn near. I think this is a full week of all vlogging. I don't think I missed a day this week. Consistency. Till next time, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the shorty.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on.